But I forgot to mention this, but when I was looking into this idea of his over Unity device, I was getting some strange feedback about, like, it's not real kind of thing, right?
Oh. Okay.
So I went and asked Copilot about it, and Copilot says, yeah, well, Nikola Tesla's over Unity device isn't real because it violates the laws of thermodynamics.
Okay.
Which it would.
Mm-hmm.
And that he never publicly spoke about something called an over Unity device. But if it was a secret patent, he wouldn't have.
Right.
For one thing.
Because he would have had to sign away that he wasn't going to talk about it and would have had to sell it to the government.
Right. So the reason that I kept hearing is because that it was disproven or not credible was because the scientific definition of over Unity, it would output more energy than it takes in. So that would violate the law of thermodynamics. Tesla never claimed to have created anything that created more energy than it took in, but the popular or alternative definition of over Unity is what I have heard about the device, which is that what most people think it means, the device taps into energy that's already there in the environment. It's just not obvious enough to be measured, which would be the ether.
Crazy.
Yeah. So why they're saying that it's not real, it's debunked, not credible, is because of what people think that Tesla meant and then what science actually rejects. So what people think Tesla meant was that he was harnessing unseen ambient energy. What science rejects is creating energy from nothing. So to me, I think when I'm seeing all this, like, oh, that's not real, it's because science equates over Unity to creating energy from nothing, but the public equates it to harnessing ambient ether energy.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. But yeah, like anything that the government wants you to not know about, they try to debunk it and make it seem like it never existed.
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
I mean, we see that with every UFO crash that people can really legit say they were there, they saw things, they of a cover-up, and the government still will be like, nope, we don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
And it never happened on our watch.
Yeah, well, the other thing, too, is I think because there's a lot of history of the U.S. government using psychics and mediums.
Well, we learned that from the Project Bluebird, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Like,
yep. And so I think that maybe some of this stuff would, like, out them a little bit. I don't think they necessarily wanted the whole world to know that they're doing these things, tapping into these things, because they've been saying that they're fucking fake.